So, we've looked at using this 2-on-1 to get on the back. So again, from this position, now he gets the 2-on-1 grip, nice. He lifts his hip and then he drags my arm across. The second he grabs it across his hip, that grabs my hand. But now I can rip this arm back. See the way I ripped it back? So before I rip it back, he plants his left foot on the mat and turns his body. See the way now he's got his body behind me, he's made a wall. And now, because he's made a wall, he doesn't have to hold on my arm. He can use that, okay, to get up on his elbow. Okay? And then from that position onto his hand. Now, the second he gets to there, okay, I know, okay, that he's about to get on my back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my shoulder and I'm going to start to put pressure on him. So try and get on my back now. See the way I pinned him with my shoulder? And anytime he tries to get onto my back, I'm just putting pressure on him. I'm driving. We ended up here, see where my shoulder was seriously there? So my shoulder was there. I'm just putting weight. I know he's coming out this way, so I can just drive forward and push with my shoulder. Kind of pins him to the mat, and then he's kind of no man's land. He can't get on my back and he can't really move. I'll show you. It's called the pendulum sweep. I'm really using the momentum that he's pinning me with just to sweep him up the way he's driving me. So from here, get the 2-on-1, drag these weights, getting back, cut me up straight, got the 2-on-1, lift my hips, drag into here, shoulder falls into that sweet spot. Okay, I grab the lat, I'm about to turn, he knows I'm getting on his back, and see the way he's really driving his shoulder into me, and I feel I can't even get out on this back. I'm kind of stuck with my back on the mat, and I can't really move either. But I can feel this pressure driving into me. So from that position, I have this lat. All I'm going to do is I open my leg, I bring it up high. This one goes under, and I can still feel it driving into me. It's just going across. And the detail is, see my chest? It's still on this arm. Okay, and if you've been coming to the class regularly, the 3 things I'm going to do now, we've already done. So from there, I just feed straight through. Forward, get my bicep tight to the jugular. I taught you how to do it with one hand, so 2 hands would be even easier. I project my weight forward, and then I turn the corner. Again. So if you haven't been stringing the classes together, possibly just finishing the one, or just finishing the round. I get the 2-on-1, lift my hip, drag him across, grab his lat. I'm about to try and get on his move to get on his back, and he's pinning me with his shoulder. See the way he's driving me into the mat. I'm kind of stuck. This lat stays where it is. I let go. Okay. Uncross my guard, and this leg comes high. This one comes under. If he has his leg up, doesn't matter. I don't even really need this arm. It's more the pull here and the kick over, which gets me over. But I keep this arm. See the way I have it pinned? Okay. So again, from there, gift wraps there, which we already looked at. From there, I can sure sit. Get on the back, we're going to make it there as well. One more time. 2-on-1. Start to try and get on his back, but he's driving into me. I feel that pressure. I uncross my guard, so this leg is coming high into his armpit. Sometimes I can't come over here as well, but I'm using that momentum. It's him driving into me, trying to pin me. It's actually hits the sweep. From there, we can go straight into this move as well. As well. But don't worry too much about the finishes. Okay, it's more the sweep we're after. I'm just using it and concentrate on the sweep. So again, try to break him down, couldn't get him down, got the 2-on-1, this is my hips, dragged him, and fell in that sweet spot, his shoulder and my sternum, I grabbed his lat, I'm about to try and get on his back, and then he starts pinning me with his shoulder. I can't get out any further. Right? The weight of him driving me into the mat and flat on my back. I keep this grip with my left hand. I uncross my guard. Sometimes I'll even put my foot on his hip to get this leg high. I want this leg high into his armpit. I can come under the leg, but it's the pressure of him driving into me takes him over. And from there, I'll even read this one very well. My chest is behind his arm. So from there, I'm feeding this one through. I get my bicep tight. Where we talked about any choking jiu-jitsu, it's all about the snugness. My right bicep is tight to his left jugular. From there, I just project my head forward and I turn the corner. Yeah. I usually won't go for this sweep unless they're really driving into me and pinning me. If they're not, I'm on the back. But he's really driving into me. I then cross, put the foot on the hip, and come underneath this leg. And then from there, as this leg comes high, this one comes underneath. And my chest is driving this arm through the space. So the gift drop is there. Just make a fist pose, you don't get wrist up. Chest it. Right and body triangle. Start to work. Make the choke, which we have covered. If you missed it, maybe just do the arm triangle one more time, bro. The main thing is to sweep that pressure and it's very good. Leave the draw, dragging across and now the sweet spot. After that, he's about to try and get in the back and pick the ball up, but he's really pinning me. Sometimes what happens is he approaches this left leg and he's really driving. Okay, and I feel, I'm stuck here. So from that position, put my foot on his hip. I use that to get this leg high into his armpit. This one comes underneath, and I just move my hips under his. Then I do my chest. This arm's still up. That's this one. Okay, so let's play with that, guys. So that's just our pendulum sweep, guys, into the mount position. Okay.